The book that I have chosen to talk about is called Explore and Learn. This is Volume 1, Earth and Space, and it was published by Southwestern. When we first open the book, you can see all the different volumes that the series offers, including each topic within that volume. There is a table of contents that helps to organize the book by page, showing what topics will be covered on each page. The graphics surrounding the table of contents does a great job at encouraging and exciting the students that are about to read the book. The next page that we come to is another source of an organizational strategy for the author. It's called All About Your Book, and here it shows the reader exactly what they're going to encounter throughout the book and how it's going to be organized. It's very exciting and encouraging for the students. It's enthusiastic and appealing to children. There's tons of places to jump around and read, so there's definitely no getting bored here. An example of the first page is called We Live on Earth. As you can see, there is a mix of both cartoon images and realistic pictures, along with captions for each picture. There's word searches, think boxes, and little fun facts at the bottom of the page. It's very aesthetically pleasing and it provides factual material. An example on another page is On the Land. And this one talks all about on the land with the same exact setup, just organized in a different way. So you still have your word searches, you still have your fun facts, you still have your pictures with your captions, and it always tells you in the corner what you're looking at. So very exciting for a kid because the pages from page to page are not the same, but it's still safe and secure because it's organized in the same way where the student knows what to expect. Here, on this page in the ocean, we get a really great view of the expressive writing that the author uses to accompany the pictures. In the little bottom, the Olin, God of the Sea, it tells a little quick fact about a little bit more about the ocean, and this was about a god who wanted to be the most important god, and the way that they describe things like a shimmering underwater palace, and he rode across the waves in a silver chariot pulled by flying fish. Very descriptive, perfect, easy to use words for children, but enough that it's going to capture their attention and really, get them wanting to learn about the topics that are here. As we go on, you can see that every page is posed typically as a question. There are a few that are more of statements, but every page answers a question. So here we have, how are rocks made? And as you go on, it'll tell you exactly how they're made. You can see that there's additional how are rocks formed, and about different rocks and precious stones. So there's a lot to learn on each page, but the page doesn't stray from the topic. If it's talking about rocks, it's talking about rocks, and it doesn't go on from that. I want to touch on the pictures here because you can see how graphic they actually are and how detailed they are. I think that this is a great point in this book and why it would be such a good choice for children. As Barbara Moss stated in our textbook, graphics hold more meaning today in text than words do. So while the text is there and it's broken up in different sections, the pictures do kind of swallow up the page and draw your attention to them. And I think that alone is part of it that's going to pull the children in and get them excited to learn. At the end of the book, there is a Can You Remember page that has questions from each of the previous pages. And then there is an index where children could easily look up anything in the book that they'd want. Explore and Learn Volume 1, Earth and Space is a great book for children to choose to read and for use in classrooms or even at daycare centers. It is technically a factual nonfiction, and it fits under the category of how things work. It answers questions and provides facts for the readers. So here you have it. I'd love to check out volumes 2 through 6, and you can purchase them online, brand new, for about $30. Thanks.